Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for TOEFL at home. First, familiarize yourself with the TOEFL IBT Home Edition format and technical requirements. Ensure your computer, microphone, and camera are working perfectly. Next, set up a quiet, private space where you won't be interrupted. Finally, gather your permitted materials, such as a small whiteboard and an erasable marker, to be ready for test day. To study effectively, focus on all four sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Utilize official TOEFL practice tests and study guides to simulate the real exam experience. This helps you understand question types and time management. Consistently work on improving your academic English skills, perhaps dedicating 2 hours daily to build confidence and fluency across all areas. On test day, perform a final system check to confirm your equipment is functioning correctly. Have your valid identification ready for the proctor's verification process. Make sure your testing environment is completely clear of any unauthorized materials. It's wise to log in at least 15 minutes early to address any unexpected technical glitches, ensuring a smooth start to your exam. To maximize your score, practice effective time management for each section. Stay calm and focused throughout the exam, even if you encounter difficult questions. In the reading and listening sections, take time to review your answers before moving on. For speaking and writing, practice expressing your ideas clearly and concisely, ensuring your responses are well-structured and easy to understand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.